yelling over her, she yelling over me. All that means is neither of us is listening. And what's even worse, that we don't even remember why we're fighting. So both of us are mad for nothing, fighting for nothing, crying for nothing. Whoa. But we won't let it go for nothing, no, not for nothing. There should be nothing to a love like what we got. Oh baby, I know sometimes it's gonna rain, but baby, can we make up now? 'Cause I can't sleep through the pain, sleep through the pain. Girl, I don't wanna go to bed at you, and I don't want you to go to bed at me. No, I don't wanna go to bed at you, and I don't want you to go to bed at me. And it gets me upset, girl, when you're constantly accusing, asking questions like you already know. We're fighting this war, baby, when both of us